It is time for a package from the Multi-Card Collector! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and in today's video we are going to do an unboxing together. Let's make it special moment, you and me. Because we have a new package from the Multi-Card Collector. Who is the Multi-Card Collector? She is the biggest collector here in the Netherlands if it comes to multi-game cards. She only collects multi-game cards, or I understand that's her personal addiction. And we are doing this collaboration because I also like multi-game cards. I don't want to collect them, I just want to review them. And so she sent me this box to review. A lot of great stuff in this thing. I have really no clue exactly what there is, so a surprise for both of us. So let's grab a scissor, let's open it up, and let's go. Alright, so let's open it up. She used a lot of tape. Go to the very gentle. Now if you're asking why are you using a scissor, yeah, I don't know. That is something I always do. Because I just love my yellow scissor. Okay. It's a pretty weird book, by the way. Alright, so a lot of goodies. You can see it. So we're going to do it in a little bit of an unboxing and taking it out. Okay, so the first thing that she put in the box, and she told me something she wanted to give for a giveaway. So she told me just to give it away to somebody. Was these Mario coins? Yahoo! Okay, we're going to do a separate unboxing about that because I want to see what's all the fuss about the Mario coins. Okay, so the first one, let's see, we're having new multi-game card for the Game Boy Advance. Nice, complete box, I like it. Let's see what we have more. Another multi-game card for the Game Boy Advance. Very curious if these have good games or a lot of double games. Let's see, what is this? I'm guessing, this is the Game Gear. Ooh, oh, complete in box. Ooh. We have another Sega Mega Drive card. Let's see what we have more. Ooh, this may be an interesting one. The Zelda Color Worlds. Is this a multi-game card or just basically... I'm guessing this is more like a notebook card. Okay, I'm going to take a close look at it later. Very interesting, very interesting. I think a lot of people are interested in these. The multi-game cards from China. And let me see this. What does it have? Mario games? Yeah, I know. Okay, wait. A lot of weird stuff on it. And we have another multi-game card. Very curious. Let's see what we have here. We have the Mega Drive Hit Collection. They're still selling these on AliExpress, what I can remember of. We have a lot of multi-game cards of the Game Gear. I don't know what it is. This is the 90 or something, whatever. Can't even read it. The converter card we're going to need because there's a little bit of bummer. These Nintendo 64 cards are not PAL region, so that's a little bit of a bummer. Of course, for our American people, it's not a problem at all. Okay, let's see. We're having here more of these obscure, very long, gigantic multi-game cards. A little bit of a spoiler. I love them because most of these cards contain a lot of good games. Not like all the other ones that I've reviewed. We have another one, a 70 in one. Okay, let's see what we have more. Oh, there's a Game Boy Classic one. The 64 in one. Okay, let's see. We're having some old school Super NES multi-game cards. Oh, the 4 one with Lamborghini racing. I love that game. I love the Lamborghini challenge. Sorry. Your family will enjoy. Oh, it doesn't even say how many games are on it. Okay, that's going to be the surprise of the day. We have again a 4 and 1. I love these old school multi-game cards. Let's see what we have more. The 180 in 1. Ooh, very cool. Another big one again. Old classic one. We have an Multi-Card Collector. Why did you send this exactly the same cards? Oh, this one. It comes with the Mortal Kombat decal. Very curious if this thing even has Mortal Kombat. Okay, a lot of... She sent me this time a lot of these huge cards, so that is pretty cool. Okay, we have so many of these, maybe we can make a top 5 or maybe a top 10 of the... Hey, is it not exactly one? Yeah, it's the same one. No, this is more like... Oh, that is really funny, I need to show you these. This is more like a series. Look at it, same decal, only this is the 12 one and 61. Huh. Okay, that is really funny. Let's see what we have more here. Another, this is 9-in-1, a very small cute collection for the Game Gear. So we have a lot of Game Gear reviews, multi-card reviews coming. Super 71, new game, and again a big one. Okay, we're going to make a top 10 of these things because oh my god, I have a lot. And for the last one, almost throwing off my microphone. We have a Game Gear multi-game card. So people, this is more like a channel update. You can say this is more like a channel update because all of these cartridges I'm going to make a separate review about, or most of them. Yeah, of course these are double, so we're not going to make 2 reviews of them, but a lot of great multi-card reviews are coming thanks to the multi-card collector. I'll leave a link in the description for the Instagram. She makes a lot of pretty pictures and send on the Instagram. Yeah. Again, shout out to Multi-Card Collector. I'm very happy to have these here so I can make more reviews for you, for the Wicked family. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hey, and if you're into gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Ooh. We are going to have some fun tonight. Because we have Mario Party on the multi-game card with NES games. Yeah. Why does this red one does this thing need an expansion pack? What? What the hell? Hey, camera's still on. Ooh!